Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with JustCall for Sales CRM Dialer Setup. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin subscribing with JustCall, visit the JustCall website. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the registration form with your name, email address. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from JustCall. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the JustCall login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Navigate to the Settings option in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find and click on Integrations. Locate the Sales CRM Dialer option and click on it. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your preferred CRM platform. Provide necessary permissions to allow JustCall to integrate with your CRM. Next, you will be prompted to set up dialing preferences for your sales calls. Choose your preferred dialing mode, such as Power Dialer or Click-to-Call. Save your dialing preferences by clicking the Save Settings button. Once your dialer settings are configured, test the connection by making a test call. Monitor the call quality and functionality through the dashboard. For further customization, explore additional settings like call recording and analytics. Once satisfied, you are all set to use JustCall for your sales CRM dialer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.